Hi friends, it's good to be back. It's been a month since I have really done anything for YouTube. All the other videos were before my little girl was born, and it's been a month now. So during that time I got in some Happy Mail. This was something I won from a giveaway from NC Invites on YouTube. So go and check her out on her Tuesday morning hauls. She does giveaways at the end, and I entered it and I was so happy to win, so I'm going to show you all that. And then I participated in Tammy K's from Dainty K Plans on Instagram. I'll put it somewhere around here. I participated in the fall mug swap, and it was something I really wanted to do. I have been looking for it for the longest time, to participate in a mug swap or a swap like that, like a crafty one or planner one. But I really wanted to participate in more of a crafty one or a mug one. And I found her hosting a mug swap for the fall, so I was very happy to have found that and participated in it. And this is what she sent me, because she was my partner, and so I'm just excited to get into this and open it, because I haven't opened it. I haven't had time to open this. I did open this really quickly though. When my sister was here, I don't remember what's in it. Because I probably was sleep deprived, you know, going on 2 hours of sleep at the time. But anyways, excuse the nails. Like I said, it's been a month, so it's been a month of no self-care as well. But it is what it is. It's newborn life. Okay, so again, this is from Natalie L from NC Invites on YouTube. Yay! So I've won the Willow Lane giveaway, and I'm so excited because these were the missing pieces that I needed to complete my Willow Lane collection. I need to post a video of my Maggie Holmes collections, because then that could also remind me of what I already have. So when I go to Tuesday morning, I won't buy duplicates or anything, because I was going to buy this, because I totally forgot that I had one. And I actually was going to buy this too. My last Tuesday morning visit, I was going to buy the stamp. Anyways, look at how pretty it was. This is an acrylic stamp, and I actually haven't really seen anybody use these just yet, just hauling them, and so I'm really curious as to how good they leave that imprint on your paper. That's gonna be real pretty. And then this trim is so gorgeous. I'm gonna use this collection to document my little girls in their toddler years. Oh, yes. Super gorgeous. I love this paper. It's probably my favorite paper in the collection. I will say though, the wrapping paper is more of a darker mustard, and I do prefer this one. It's more like gold mustard, and this one is more like a lemony mustard, but they're still pretty shades. I just prefer the other one. Super pretty. Oh my goodness, if I could decorate my little girl's room in these colors, I would, but these colors are really popular right now. They're very trendy, so anything with these colors is very expensive as far as decor. And then it repeats. Yes, very, very cute. Thank you so much, Natalie, for these goodies, and I'll keep watching ya. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this box. I'm gonna put it on pause real quick. Okay, so the box smells like super amazing, like smells really good. And at first I thought it was this washi that I was using while I was crafting, but it's not. It's this box. It smells really good. Okay, crinkle. Oh, so cute. All this pink. Gonna save that definitely to use as layering. Look at how pretty this envelope is. Just got this little embelly. Oh, that's gorgeous. Where's this from? Is that, what collection is that? That's gorgeous. The card. I believe she made this envelope. Pretty sure she did. This is such a pretty letter. Very pretty. Did she stamp that and then color it in? I think so. Super gorgeous. Probably the prettiest card I have ever received. I'm usually the one making the cards, you know. Okay. Honey sticks. I love tea. I'm actually a coffee drinker and a tea drinker. So I love coffee and I like tea. So sweet tarts. So if I could choose one favorite hard candy, it would be sweet tarts. So yum. Oh goodness, everything's all in pink. Let's see what to open first. Well, let's open this one. Pretty ribbon. Alright. What pretty wrapping paper. Is it the wrapping paper? I'm wondering what is that wonderful smell. What is this? This is, oh. I keep wondering what that smell is. Okay. This is a True Nature Brightening Mask. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, rose. My favorite scent, actually. Well, not my favorite scent, like, ever, but a scent that I do like is rose. Very, oh yes, under eye mask. Oh yes. I'm gonna need that. Especially with these newborn nights where you don't get much sleep. Very cute. Thank you. I actually really love masks. I used to do them twice a week before my kiddos came. So that was fun. What is Rifle Paper Co? Anthropology. What in the world? Oh my goodness. So I wonder if you already had the one I gave you. You probably already did. But this is gorgeous. It says, great things are done by a series of small things brought together. I actually really like that. That's like so on point for where I am right now. Oh, so pretty. Thank you so much. I actually gifted her a Rifle Paper Co, but I actually found it at Marshall's. So, and it was kind of banged up. It's kind of a bummer when you find really nice things at Marshall's or Ross or TJ Maxx or Home Goods, places like that. You kind of have to be like, oh, corner's kind of banged up, or the front part is all, you know, maybe the paper was torn, which in my case it was, and it didn't have the plastic wrapping, the shrink wrap on it. So I didn't have this, and so I had to package it. That's what kind of like threw me to, hey, let's just package the entire box. And then, oh, there's this little small one. How cute. I hadn't participated in a swap in years, so I was kind of like a little nervous that perhaps I didn't send enough, and I feel like I still haven't, and anyway, it's this. It's this. It's this. It's a Brambleberry Roast Lip Balm. How cute. It's this. This smells wonderful. Wow. You see that? It's gorgeous. I actually needed some lip balm. So crazy how all, like, I really, I'm not just saying that, like, I really need some lip balm for some reason. Nursing makes me super thirsty. I think that's very common, but my lips also get super dry. Let's see what this is. Okay. Oh, this is Tavana's Imperial Spice Chai. Ooh, cinnamon and papaya. That's different. I haven't had this chai from this company or this flavor, cinnamon and papaya. So that's yummy. It's on the second one, so not too bad. It does have yerba mate. Yeah, candied papaya. That's interesting. This is gonna be fun. Okay. Yum. Alright. Should we open this big one? Because I know y'all are like, open the big one. I wish there was more of these. Like, I would probably participate in it every season because they're super fun, and my husband gets packages like all the time. I mean, weekly, and I'm just like, I want something. I mean, not that he participates in Happy Meal. He's just always ordering things. Records or coffee stuff. Is this the mug? Because I did not package mine this secure. But it did get there in one piece, thank goodness. The blue paper foam thing's kind of sticky. Alright. Anthropology, my goodness, like, oh my goodness. Seriously, I feel so spoiled now. That's actually a really cute color tissue paper. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. It's got flowers, roses, butterflies. Super pretty. Super pretty. Love that. Thank you so much. It's such a pretty mug. I don't have anything like this. I really don't. This color is really pretty. This is the whole point of the swap, the mug. And it's gorgeous. Thank you so much. And look, all of her stuff is like matching. Which I kind of did that too with her package. Kind of had like a color scheme going on, like a fall mixed with muted pink. We have an anthropology store in Tulsa, but I don't live near it, and to get there, I mean, it's not like super far away, but it would it would take a whole day's plan. Or maybe it's this, because this smells amazing. This is lotus flower and jasmine scented soap. I actually was thinking about getting her scented soap, but I'm like, I don't know, people are kind of particular about scents, and what if she's like allergic or something? So I didn't. This smells wonderful. It is probably this, and this smells amazing. Wow. This is already blessing me so much as a mom of 2 now. Okay. And this is the last one in the box. Ooh, I have been craving chocolate since my girl was born. Milk chocolate with honey salted almonds. Okay. Ooh, dark chocolate with marzipan. I know how to say this in Spanish. When I try to say it in English, I'm like stuttering. Yum. Let's open these right now. Yeah, so we're gonna end this video so that I can open these right now. But thank you so much, Tammy. This box has blessed me so much already, and I haven't even used them, but I already feel so just well taken care of already, and I love everything. Super girly, and I can't wait to participate again if you have another one. Go and follow her. She has the most gorgeous felt flower accessories for your planners, and I'm actually thinking about getting some. I want to get one for Christmas. Thank you so much, and I love everything, and thank you all so much for watching. If you're thinking about doing Happy Mail for someone, do it. It'll probably bless their day. You just never know what's going on, and it doesn't have to be negative. They could just be really busy, and just taking some time to sit down and opening a very sweet package for them could just really make their whole month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.